So we're going to do some sounds and we're going to blend the sounds together, okay?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Desk.
Desk.
A O A.
Real A.
Again.
Railway.
Station.
Station.
How about this one? Are you ready?
Yes.
Eight. What is it? Faster.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Say that again.
Refrigerator.
Good. So this is an exercise that we do at home to blend sounds together.
Yes.
Without looking at the letters. So it will train the ears to listen for individual sounds. So by the time they start reading the letters and trying to blend the sounds together, it will be so much easier for them because they already acquire that blending skills. So hopefully this will help your little ones to help them to learn blending sounds together. See you later.
See you later.